We know how frustrating it is to be without power, especially after a storm. You may wonder why our outage map doesn't show restoration times for individual addresses. Severe weather can cause widespread or complex damage, making it very difficult or even impossible to give accurate restoration times for each individual home or business. While our outage map can show individual restoration estimates during normal conditions or small storms, it's not intended to be used in that way for large-scale outages and complex damage. To keep customers informed while setting realistic expectations, we instead provide general estimated restoration timeframes for all our customers. When possible, we break these down by area. Keep in mind that these estimates are based on the best information we have at the time and can change based on the complexity of repairs in the field. For storm safety tips and information, please visit us at tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.